If you've ever typed, "Is Luke Zion jewelry legit?" into Google or YouTube, I get it. And I'm glad you found this video because I want to answer that question directly. My name's Dennis. I'm the founder of Luke Zion Jewelry. So let's get right into it. Now, there's a lot of sellers in the sterling silver space and a lot of options. And honestly, I think that's a good thing. Buyers should have options. Competition actually makes everyone better. And I'm generally grateful to be one of the brands people keep coming back to. But with a lot of sellers comes a lot of noise. And when there's a lot of noise, people start asking the right questions, which is great. Is this brand real? Is this real sterling silver 925? Who am I buying from? Am I going to get scammed? And those are all great, fair questions, and you deserve a straight answer. Now, I started selling sterling silver back in 2024 out of the swap meets in California. During the week, I would work a 3 a.m. factory shift job. Then on Saturday and Sunday, me and my wife were out in the swap meets all day, from open to close, answering customers' questions about the designs, the lengths, the styles, and just learning what people actually want and what they didn't want. But at times, we didn't even know we were going to cover the space rent booth, but we still showed up. Now, that's where I learned the business, not from a course, not from a YouTube video, from real people face to face, telling me exactly what they liked and what they didn't, and what kept them coming back. Early on, I worked for free for an entire year just to learn the trade. No paycheck. I just wanted to understand sterling silver the right way, what 925 means, where the chains come from, how to spot real silver compared to plated silver or fake silver. And that was honestly my heart, just to learn. Then in 2020, I launched Luke Zion Jewelry. Everything I learned in those 6 years went into building this the right way. The brand is named after my two sons, my firstborn Luke and my secondborn Zion. My kid's name is in this company, and my boys are with me every week in the warehouse. Every week, they're helping me put stickers on the boxes. So if some of you guys receive an extra lanyard or stickers, you know who did that. And my goal with Luke Zion Jewelry is very simple. It's never been just to sell chains, but it has always been to educate people on sterling silver, how to take care of it, what to look for when you're purchasing, when you're buying, or just answering questions. I did that a lot at the swap meets. Even though hundreds of people didn't purchase from me, they still just came in. I just chit chatted with them and I just gave them the knowledge that I had. Because when you understand what you're buying, you make a better decision. And when you make a better decision and you love what you got, you come back. It's very simple. So if you want to hear the full story of how this brand actually started, I did a whole series on the channel called Humble Beginnings. I put a link in the description below so you can go ahead and watch it. So the question is Luke Zion Jewelry legit? Without a doubt, yes. I've been in this business since 2014. I put my kid's name on it. I put in the work and I show up on this channel because I want you to know exactly who you're buying from. Real Italian 925 sterling silver shipped from California from a founder who stands behind every chain. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Take a look around. Any videos, the website, and if you have any questions, just feel free to email us at info@lukezionjewelry.com. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.